I'm Angeli, CEO and founder of TechExplore. Thanks to the overwhelming demand that we saw for our in-school programs, TechExplore is launching TechExplore Live. Each month, students enrolled in TechExplore Live will learn how to create awesome projects using hand-picked educational tech kits that we send straight to your doorstep. Some of these projects include robot pets, video games, hovercraft, and so much more. Each month, I personally work with my Tech Explorers through 4 interactive and live classroom sessions. These classroom sessions work just like any other classroom, with a teacher to demonstrate and answer any questions. It's just over the web. Since this program lets kids build, code, and learn about electronics all from their home, it makes tech education easy for parents. No need to even drive anywhere. We got you covered. As a robotics world champion, speaker, and someone who's been coding for most of my life, I truly am committed to helping your kids become the leaders of tomorrow. So, this fall, we are launching TechExplore Live for students in grades 2 through 7. Only 50 of North America's brightest kids will be able to get a spot, and acceptances will be sent out on a rolling basis. So, students and parents, head over to techexplore.co/live and apply now.